Hello and welcome to my channel. Today we're going to baptize a new lily cultivar which I named Papaya Blaze. This is a great tradition of Dutch plant breeding, baptism of a new cultivar. People, all breeders from around the country and professional growers and hobbyists come together to celebrate the naming of a new lily cultivar. This lily cultivar is a Tetrapelid Asiatic grown by me to flowering, and I'm going to name it Papaya Blaze. And because I'm Hungarian, we're going to celebrate with a Hungarian champagne made at Orgovány. And of course, it has a Russian name, but it's a traditional Hungarian champagne. So let's celebrate together. I name you Papaya Blaze. And I'm also going to drink a little champagne. I would like to thank you again to become a witness of this festive occasion. And if you like my content, you can like and subscribe and ring the bell, and you can always leave a comment. And thank you very much for your attention. See you next time. Goodbye.